Good morning, everyone. How are you guys? Happy Tuesday. So yesterday, I decided I had some errands and I didn't steam yesterday. And as expected, price action wasn't great. So how did you do guys yesterday? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Anyway, nothing significant happened yesterday on NQ and ES. I saw perfect setup on CL and gold, but nothing on NQ, so I would consider yesterday as a waste of time for me. Yeah, it was classic day before CPI, so yeah, I agree with you. So on gold, I'm still watching this setup, this one. So I absolutely don't like how it looks overall, because inside bullish pedigree, but I do like to see continuation lower to take, if not, okay, not 50s, but maybe 54, because it makes sense. So let's see how it goes. I'm not in this trade. Something wrong with my monitors. Okay. I'm not in this short trade. I'm just watching because kind of choppy in my opinion. So would like to see. Okay, maybe I don't want to see 50s, but I would like to see 54. So it was so close. Doesn't make sense not to take this level. Still keeping my eyes on this. So let's see how it goes. MC model play out yesterday. I didn't check. I even didn't check in Q like at all yesterday. Nothing significant happened. We inside my target areas that I mentioned, I guess, 2 weeks ago. So that's basically range between 2 and 2.5. What about previous day low level on gold? I mean, I do like to see overall this one because we inside market maker sell model, and clearly here is second stage of. I'm sorry, guys. Updated my keyboard. Oh yeah. Would like to see this a second stage of redistribution. Of course, it's going to drop right now because, like, why not? Very choppy. I mean, perfect sell here. Okay, retrace to this order block. Nothing wrong with this. Another move down. We took this sell side, equal lows. Retracing back up again. So it's just kind of choppy, but I do like to see, once again, if not 50s, but at least sell side over here. 54.6, yeah. Doesn't make sense not to take this at least. If lower, then it's even better. Just right now a bit choppy, in my humble opinion. So, would like to see drop. I'm not looking for long just yet. Would like to see continuation lower. What do you think about that, guys? At least over here, but preferably to complete this market maker sell model and go all the way down to 50s. Watching CL as well, nothing significant happened just yet. On CL, so far we have exactly what I anticipated to get on hourly. We got pump, then retracement down, back to hourly fair value gap. We're about to get potential sweep, so let's see if we get something on 5-minute chart. So we need to have 5-minute OB at least. Yeah, gold needs to drop. So previous day low, I don't really look for previous day low levels, previous week low levels, but it's the same, I guess. So yeah, it's going to complete market maker sell model at this point, go to 50s. Looking for continuation lower. At least gold should touch daily open. Yeah. Daily open. Yeah, it actually lines up, you know. Agree with you. So should drop. Let me zoom in a little bit. Hard to see. So once again on gold, watching this drop. And only setups that I see so far. On CL, you got my point. Let's see if we get 5-minute OB. At this point, we will get reaction from hourly fair value gap with potential sweep. Gold, crazy. But gold amazing. Even yesterday, look at this. I was sleeping at this short, but once again, brilliant short based on hourly sweep, potential hourly sweep, 5-minute OP, let's short for 2R, 2R long, 2R short. By the way, I took this. What else? So it was break even, so I got 1.5R, break even. Was close to 2R, crazy, right? And here's 2R as well. So as you can see, not completed with 2R just yet, but completed with first sell side. So I call this like partial time. Guys, who received my homework? Good morning. Who received my homework? Who completed homework? I sent this on Friday. So you did homework? Done with it? I saw some uploads, but I didn't receive this. That's strange. If you did not receive this, let me send you the link right now to get this homework based on last lesson. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to send you homework right now. I send this on. Give me 1 second. You need to upload this. Give me 1 second. We'll give you instructions in 1 second. So here's the homework. Just click over here and it calls new lesson dropped. And to complete this homework, just complete this homework. PDF. I don't need PDF. Actually, you can just highlight on your chart. Send me on Twitter or just create post on Twitter and tag me there. So I send the link for you guys. So if you want to complete this homework, just click this link and sign up for this homework. Pretty much that's it. Okay. Let me disconnect from my laptop because trying to connect to both. Trying to tell me like you connected to TradingView on computer and laptop, so you don't need to do this. Okay. Yeah. To understand this entry, all you need to do is just read my last lesson, watch my last lesson. I send the link like above, couple of messages above. Just sign up for the lesson and homework. And that's it. Check your spam folder. So if you sign up for these emails, so you should receive this. Because other people receive this, so it's not on my site. If on my fund materials shows a delay, you need to go on your dashboard on your myfundsignatures.com, go to billing. Let me create steps. It's like classic problem for everyone. What next? Forgot. Give me 1 second. I will show you steps right now that you need to do, like billing. Okay, scroll down. Okay, view. See this? Crazy. Then trade await, if not mistaken. Yeah, trade await. Your steps. That's it. Simple, right? So guys, here's your steps to get access to data for my funded future for gold, CL, RTY gets included, silver, HO, RB, and blah, blah, blah. So any other instruments, you got it. So it should help you. You want, what kind of TP we have at this level? I don't see. Like, order block? What do you see there? Share with me. Maybe I'm missing something. Why first target is over here? Like, we tested ejection blocks. That's pretty much it. What else? What I'm missing? Oh, daily open. Exactly. You said it before. So my bad. Exactly. Yeah. So we just tested daily open. I wouldn't take final target there, but nice reaction so far. It was sell side. Partial was over here in my humble opinion. So 54.60 is partial level and final target is going to be over here. So daily open, nice reaction, absolutely brilliant reaction. But once again, guys, if you're trying to trade gold, silver, CL on your My Funded Futures, you have any issue, so complete the steps. It should help you. So sell side over here was partial level. Daily open also can be partial. I wouldn't take partial over here personally, just because it's like 1.5 R. Okay, I could move at break even right now, but final target is going to be over here at okay, like let's say 50s. That's my opinion about this trade. So pretty much solid idea on gold. It was 3-minute chart entry. So once again, I'm keeping my eyes on the sell side liquidity level. Daily open, as I said, can be partial, but I would never take partial over here because partial was here. It's 1.5 R. Just move at break even, wait for your final target. That's it. Oh my god. So you got my point. So any questions about this trade? Guys, who watched my last video, can you tell me why it was short opportunity? Who knows actually why it was short opportunity? Who can tell us? Let's check your knowledge. Who can tell us why it was short? Who knows? Wait a minute. Who knows why it was short? Who can tell me why it was short? No, I'm not talking about news. I don't care about news. Why? What kind of setup, reason, or don't tell me CPI. I don't care about this. If setup presents, it's going to be CPI. It's going to be regular day. It's going to be even on Sunday. Who knows why it was short? I don't care if it was CPI. Give me the reason. Why would you Yeah. Daily fair value gap, exactly right. What else? So what this means? Let's stop over here. What this means? So our first step, what is our first step, guys? What we want to do exactly, external range liquidity to internal range liquidity. What this information give us? So if we know we got external range liquidity on daily, we're going to internal range liquidity. What is this information trying to give us? That what is this? We got high time frame trend. What kind of high time frame trend? Bearish, right? So we got first step. High time frame trend is bearish. So what we want to do next? We want to switch on 30-minute, 15-minute, or hourly to find what? PD ray, right? So once again, according to our last video, everyone remembers this. We're looking for high time frame trend. Bearish, bullish. So what we can see over here? Perfect, we got external range liquidity. We're going where? To internal range liquidity. This means our high time frame trend is bearish. Simple as that. So what next step? What kind of next step is we have? What kind of step we want to consider right now? Remember, I explained this in my last video. Exactly, PD ray. So we basically have option to pick PD ray, hourly, 30-minute, or 15-minute chart. We call this medium time frame. It can be fair value gap, it can be OB, it can be liquidity level. Or for example, we hit for inversion fair value gap, we hit OB over here, we got hourly fair value gap. Maybe we got something on 30-minute chart. We can check. Yes, actually we got inversion. We got mitigation block, which I not really want to consider. But at least we have medium time frame bearish PD ray. Well, perfect. So right now we know we got the daily trend bearish, medium time frame is bearish. Our task is to find potential sweeps, 30-minute or hourly. Simple. So at least some people took this. I'm proud of you guys. So over here, maybe not perfect example, but since I was watching for continuation, we got the action from 30-minute fair value gap, we got potential sweep. So we basically have two options over here. Wait for the closure below this up close candles, or wait for the closure below this one, because we got new high. It's like internal OB. So, okay, we got OB, we got the closure, was entry over here. Since we got huge wick, it made sense to me to put stop loss at 50%, and 2R lines up with sell side liquidity. Does this part make sense? Does this part make sense? Okay. I hope I answered your question. So I wasn't this short, but I mean, right now, but the issue, I'm going to show you right now. Don't hate me on this, okay? Ready? I was trying to short twice, 2 break-evens. Because, okay, why I move at break-even over here? Because we took sell side, I was like, what? Okay, I move at break-even. I moved at break-even once it was 2 ticks away from my first partial. Painful. Painful diseases. I tried twice. 2 break-evens. I mean, actually, I'm up $30, but crazy. Like, I'm about to cry. Kidding, but unwell. And maybe I didn't need to move at break-even, but in real time, it made sense to me. For example, with this move over here, we feel this volume imbalance. I was like, we feel the volume imbalance, so I will move at break-even. I stopped out. Okay, we'll try again. We got like inversion over here. I mean, like, okay, I enter at inversion. Basically, I was waiting for the closure. I entered near the closure. I moved put my stop loss at this swing high. I was aiming for exactly same trade. And I'm like, we took this flat candle, then we got immediate rejection. I'm like, we'll move at break-even again. In reality, I didn't need to move at break-even at all. Like stop loss or TP, but in real time, it didn't look so well. So yeah, agree. Maybe it was stupid mistake, but it is what it is. So up $30. Annoying, right? Extremely. I mean, guys, I entered twice because I was extremely confident with this trade. And the most annoying part right now, 2 break-evens. I mean, I really tried twice. As you can see, I even increased my size over here because I was extremely confident. Try with 7 micros, then with 10 micros, and went to my TP. Classic. Oh, come on, Dasha. Sometimes, yeah, I make stupid mistakes, unfortunately. Happens, right? I moved too soon, agree with you. But in real time, it didn't look so well. But looking right now, my entries actually were amazing. I mean, initial stop loss was in the right place. I just moved at break even. And I wasn't scared to lose, you know? It was about like we took key level, and in real time it seems like good key level. But in reality, it is what it is. Yes, exactly. So we basically got retest of the streaming OB scissors, retest of the streaming OB, we got inversion. So I basically entered the closure, near the closure. I saw like it left like 5 seconds left at this candle. I decided, like, okay, I will enter. I put my stop loss at this swing high, and I was aiming for 2R initially. I mean, okay. I wasn't profit twice. It's not, you know, it's not about the profit. You know, it's about like overall. I mean, I don't care if I was up like $500 and it went back to my break even. It's not about this. It's about stop itself. I mean, it's okay. At least my analysis was right. Okay, not this. I entered twice because I was confident. It just happens. Okay. I didn't re-enter, so I wasn't this trade anymore. Like I tried twice. So let me bring this a bit higher. Okay, guys, let's focus. I mean, perfect setup. A brilliant setup. Just happens. Let's back to price action. What we have there? NQ. We didn't analyze NQ today, right? So once again, we inside my key area, which is 2 and 2.5 standard deviation of our manipulation leg. So let's see what we can get here. Maybe we can get M2 model. So let's highlight potential setup. So far we traded above. Let me highlight this. We trade above 9 a.m. open. We're about to get 2-minute OB. Not yet. I cannot recommend it to trade. For example, if I trade gold and let's say NQ, CL, it works for me. It may not work for you. So check what I would say. Maybe ES, it's slow. So maybe CL, it's slow as well. But maybe something else. So you need to try to see how it goes. Yeah, on gold, that's it. So 2 R lines up your sell side. It was my final target for market maker sell model. Brilliant setup. Perfect short. Perfect second stage of redistribution. Everything was amazing. Even yesterday, gold and CL like screaming like it's money making machine. But everyone was trying to trade. And Q was like, really? Because yesterday I saw some traders traded in Q, like posted videos with the executions that was break even or stop loss. I was like, what's the point to trade in Q? Oh, yeah, my bad. Thank you. We still don't have anything to short, for example, on Q. Funny to be extremely confident every single time move at break even. Hello, I am Dasha. Yes, I sent email with homework. Trying to sell right now, so we're waiting for 2-minute OB. We got sweep, we got potential 30-minute sweep as well. I sent all emails on Friday, guys. And if you want to get this email again, guys, if you're new on my channel, I would like to get homeworks. Because, yeah, I'm sending homeworks. Where is my chat? Okay, I'm going to send you homework right now. So here's the link. What? Guys, I sent the link in the chat. So if you want to get homework, like some analysis, some lessons, so just sign up for this. That's it. It's free, completely free. Okay, guys, let's focus. So far, we got 3-minute OB. Let's see if we got 2-minute OB. So we got 3-minute OB, but we didn't get 2-minute OB to consider this as M2 model, so nothing yet for me. You're welcome. So if you want to upload this homework, don't send me email back because probably I will lose your email. So send me this on Twitter, or you can just create post on Twitter and tag me there, so I will comment. So trying to sell, considering this potential 30-minute sweep, and we got 3-minute OB, so yeah, ideal entry must be at the open of this candle. We want to put stop loss at swing high. We want to aim for 2R. But ideally, I would like to aim for, look for M2 model, and we don't have this. Actually, we just got this. So we just got 2-minute OB. We got SMT with ES. So let's see if my retrace, especially when we have, I mean, I would like to see slightly lower right now. Oh, my mouse. So I would like to see a flat candle over here. Test of this flat candle. Flat candle means candle that doesn't have a wick. So wickless candle. Wickless candle. So I'm watching my watching this level 151. So let's see if my drop. Yeah, no interest in longs just yet. Nothing yet for me too long. 151 is key level, first key level. So considering empty model, let's just see where could be potential 2R. I'm just not sure if it's going to be 2R. Give me 1 second. Last swing high. I will just check where we have 2R. This hourly fair value gap. Anyway, I mean, I'm not sure if we go for 2R, but I'm watching this flat candle. I mean, preferably to go for 2R because we got hourly fair value gap, untapped fair value gap. But at least I would like to see we taking out flat candle and see how we can react from this level. Let's check yes. I don't need this. Same hourly fair value gap. I would like to see also hourly fair value gap tested. So far just breakaway gap. It's okay, it's okay. Just overall structure. If I agree with your comment about 2-minute OB below 9 a.m. open, but the another confirmation can be potential 30-minute sweep with 3-minute OB. So basically like 2 confirmations. But as you can see, I'm not in this trade just yet. So let's see. We don't have flat candle on ES. But once again, we have hourly fair value gap. But actually, I do like to see 2-minute OB above 9 a.m. open. But once again, I'm not in this short because it's kind of tricky for me to enter right in discount when I would like to enter in premium. So I was just trying to forward test, I would say this. So it doesn't make sense to short just for now. It's just too deep in discount to short this. But overall idea, if I want to, like, let's ignore 2-minute OB. What we have? We have potential hourly sweep, we have potential 30-minute sweep, we got 3-minute OB, and let me check. And we got 5-minute OB. So I'm watching, once again, I'm not watching for 2R, but preferable to get this. I'm watching for flat candle. Let me switch on MNQ. Let's see what we have on MNQ. Oh, 2-minute chart. Give me 1 second. I'm going to compare. Seems like we don't have flat candle on MNQ, or I'm blind. We don't have flat candle on MNQ. But I don't care. NQ has this level. That's why I prefer to compare, MNQ with NQ. Yes, on MNQ we don't have it. But we have this on NQ, so I would like to keep my eyes to see if maybe it is this. But once again, I am not in this trade. Just saying you, like, I'm keeping my eyes on this. That's it. So once again, let's see if my drop to this flat candle. Yes, exactly. If you trade on MNQ, but preferable to follow NQ. Yes, exactly. And adjust your targets on NQ, not on MNQ. Because sometimes we have minor difference. Let's say sell side liquidity, let's say at 140, but on MNQ sell side liquidity at 139, for example. Flat candle. It's flat candle. Candles that doesn't have wick. Wickless candle. Flat candle. It's highlighted on my chart. Yeah, we don't have this on MNQ. Oh, all information is available on YouTube. Everything discussed here is on YouTube. So I will have this key level, because it's key level. Yes, exactly. I tried MNQ as well. So yes, approaching this hourly fair value gaps, that's good. Okay, just consider this as key level or support on a yes. So at this point, preferable to touch this on NQ as well, but yes can give us reaction, quick reaction. So just consider this. So MTO model playing out so far, it's 1.5 hour in profit. So normally we should move at break even. Let me move over here. So normally we should move at break even right now. So once again, consider the fact that ES just touched this hourly fair value gap. At this point, it can give us reaction and Q can retrace. Preferable to touch hourly fair value gap as well, but you must consider idea that ES touch this, so it can give us SMT. So sometimes, not sometimes. Often you should consider target on ES to close your trade on Q. Happens, right? Also, we took, is it? Oh, equal lows. Okay, we just took equal lows as well. Okay. All right. So I cannot say like we got solid reaction. Actually, today we got perfect trade idea on gold using exactly same 3-minute order block, 30-minute sweep. It also was hourly, I guess. No, it wasn't hourly. So right now, just let's keep our eyes on ES if it wants to give us reaction. Yes, equal lows. Yeah, good target. It wasn't 2R, but it was 1.5R, so it's like, it must be free trade right now. According to rules, we must move at break even. What we have on 1-minute chart? We're about to get, oh, we don't have fair value gap, like minor fair value gap. It's not even like perfect, you know, like inversion. It's just like nothing. On 2-minute chart, maybe it's going to be better picture. So let's see if we invert 2-minute fair value gap. Once again, if ES touches the key level, like we got over here, and Q remains above this level, give me 1 second. It remains above this level. Updated keyboard, so I need to learn how to use this. How can I? Okay. Didn't touch this level, so sometimes it may offer SMT, and at this point, it doesn't make any sense to hold until full TP on NQ. What? Give me 1 second. Oh, I was looking for another fair value gap. Because he has shaded into this fair value gap already. So yeah, it's touched actually, but I was looking for another one. I hope it makes sense. Guys, all strategies are trade available on YouTube. Absolutely everything available on my YouTube. CL keep dropping, so we don't have a shift, bullish shift yet on CL, so kind of no interest just yet on CL. Gold, nothing else, just pretty much nothing is going on. We enter daily fair value gap, that's brilliant. So far, no setup. Yeah, I mean, nothing to trade right now on CL. We don't have bullish shift just yet, so it makes sense to just give it a bit more time. What is UFG? It's untapped fair value gap. In other words, breakaway gap, or sometimes measuring gap. So we never traded into this fair value gap. So open fair value gap, unfilled fair value gap. Call this whatever you like. So you never received your trades. Okay, I'm going to send you email, so give me some time. You will get this, don't worry. You miss ICT? I mean, we all miss ICT. Yeah, it was close to, let me see. Yeah, it was around like 1.5 hour, so. But once again, it's okay. Homework. Guys, I sent the link twice for homework in the chat. Here's last time. Guys, if you want to get homework, sign up for this homework using this link. Okay? So let's see. We're about to get this shift on ES. Let's see if we get confirmation on ES for continuation higher. We got 2-minute inversion on NQ. Nothing is going on gold just yet and CL as well, so I'm going to stay on NQ. So yeah, I would say NQ looks a bit more bullish than ES. ES needs to offer shift to upside. We still don't have it, so I kind of would like to stay away from taking long on NQ just yet, unless ES confirms this. Don't worry, guys. If you want, you will receive this. See, ES still kind of more bearish. We have zero confirmation to upside, so I will follow ES bias. And not going to delete this risk reward tool simply because it's still valid trade in my opinion, because ES still confirms this bias. Unless it wants to offer bullish shift, yeah, preferably something on 5-minute chart. But I would say 2-minute will be enough as well. So what confirmation I will use? Closure above this flat candle on 2-minute chart. Yeah. Seems like ES wants to test New York midnight open, maybe RTH test of previous day high level. Also okay. We have some SMT at lows, but structure still remains more bearish on ES. Let's see what we can get. Right now, like secondary test of fair value gap on hourly, as well as we got SMT. So let's see how it goes. We got reclaimed fair value gap as well. Basically, we got the closure below this inversion. It's just a bit choppy. Like absolutely nothing so far over here. A bit choppy. We'll give it more time to develop something for us. Yeah, at least some sort of structure, you know, to upside. Kind of nothing. I would say maybe makes sense to wait for confirmation on ES first. Since we got new low, so I will wait for the closure above this down close candle. It will offer shift in structure to upside. We don't have it. It's still kind of more bearish. Right? Yeah, SMT at lows so far. Trying to hold this SMT, but nothing more. That's all we have, SMT. And hourly fair value gap remains lower. Once again, I will be fine with considering potential long only with closure above this down close candle. Doesn't make any sense for me just for now to long. No reason to be first buyer, I would say. Yeah. No reason to be first buyer right now. Unless we can get the structure to upside. Basically, closure over here. Then I don't mind too long. ES still has New York midnight open slightly lower. We tested 50% of hourly fair value gap. So let's see. Keeping my eyes on CL. Nothing interesting yet. The problem is hard to find OB to consider changing the state of delivery. Test of 2-minute order block on ES. On NQ as well. Minor sweep. No bullish shift yet. Once again, I will consider long, and I will not mind long using this SMTS confirmation hourly fair value gap above this high. We'll try to long at this point. Yeah, gold trying to reverse. Let's see if we get the structure for long. It's the same. Remember, low resistance, sharp move down, leg up, retracing to 50% long. So we have something similar to this. To aim for 60s. Yeah. With the champion, but it's okay. It's in queue. Come on, Dasha. You're expecting so much. A lot, right? From NQ. NQ moves nice before 10. We still, by the way, have 8 more minutes. So maybe it will do something. Since we still have 8 more minutes. Because Silver Bullet is going to be... I hope it's not going to be like this. But mostly garbage. Yes. So I would say on gold, we can use idea of low resistance move. So we got low resistance, sharp move down, retracement or reversal. So basically leg up, retracement to 50% and try to long. That's going to be planned for potential long on gold. Yeah. We have leg up. We have potential 30-minute sweep, which is nice. Waiting for retracement back to 50%. You would like to see NQ slightly lower. Me too. I would like to see ES lower. I would like to see ES to New York midnight open and RTH test of previous day high level. So I would like to see, let me put maybe magnets. New York midnight open. I just have no idea how much time it will take. So watching right now ES. Maybe at this point we can drop again on NQ to hourly fair value gap. I'm just not sure. Do we have any important news, guys? At 10? No news. Okay. Probably that's why Silver Bullet is going to be garbage. Most likely. Nvidia dropping. But NQ kind of struggling right now. So, I know. So on gold, I don't want to see a test of 45, 46 level. Yeah, 45, 46. Nothing is going on. Nothing is going on. Stuck at this flat candle, stuck at inversion. So prefer to see the test of hourly fair value gap, but struggling so much. So not going to be first seller or buyer right now. It just consolidation. You want to see 23K. Oh, if it's lower, I'm fine. Because I don't see bullish setup just yet. I would like to support this bearish bias so far. Yeah. What level MNQ took? I would say exactly same. Oh, 23K lines up with Asia low. It's not only institutional level. But it may take time, so far just ugly consolidation. Absolutely ugly. Look at this 1 minute chart. Lots of SMTs at lows, and that's it. But structure still remains more bearish on ES. I know, like, not worth it. Gold. The issue with gold, if it wants to be potential 30-minute sweep, we have 0 OB. Yeah, OB is going to be huge for this, yeah. Not really like it. Drop I would say, okay, I hate to say this, but this short makes only sense so far. Especially from this target area, this retracement not enough. Yeah, I mean, we took equal loss. That's okay, that's great, but we have some high time frame Peter is slower. Makes 0 sense not to take them. So I'm keeping my eyes on early fair value gap. I'm not saying like we should balance this immediately because I have no idea, but I'm watching this one. Okay, let's ignore NQ. I'm watching New York midnight open and previous day high on ES. I'm not going to long gold just for now. It's going to be idea of low resistance move. So basically we're building low resistance, then sharp move down, expansion up, retracement to 50% of this leg up, then long. So far we have this leg up, but we don't have retracement. What this means? No longs. Just for me. Just for now. So this is going to look like this. Let me show you. Low resistance, sharp move down, leg up, retracement to 50%, long to first buy side liquidity. We have leg up, that's absolutely amazing. What I would like to see, something like this. Can we get this? I cannot see the future. I don't know. Still remains below first buy side liquidity, so I would say that's fine. Come on, NQ! Do something. Range becoming tight. Extremely tight, so. New York midnight open on ES. Must be taken. Or market is a scam, right? Nothing is going on. To 75, you would like to see somewhere over here. I mean, possible. You know, I'm very conservative, so I'm not quite sure if we're going to go to 75. It doesn't mean like we will not go there, but it's better to look for conservative levels. For example, our fair value gap. We have New York midnight open right below this level. We have New York midnight open on ES, which is also important level. So yeah. On gold, waiting for retracement. I really would like to see retracement. Approaching this New York midnight open, so let's see if may take this. Did you miss me? Of course. You were on vacation? We missed you. Everyone missed you. So approaching New York midnight open so far, which I like. Gold, nothing yet. Still nothing. Approaching. I like it. Feel choppy. I mean, which is maybe fine. I know. Hello. You quite trading? Of course. Yeah. As you can see, a couple of ticks away from New York midnight open. They may actually start playing the games, which is stupid, but possible. Watching yes right now. Didn't take it. Garbage move, but move. At least something. So as you can see, yes, it's about to take New York with net open, which just looks like a scam, complete scam so far. What's the name of SM? He knows. He asks this every single time. He knows the answer. We got a sweep of like short-term sell side, like nothing is going on, not significant sweep. Still hourly fair value gap remains lower. New York with net open remains lower. A complete reversal right now is going to be a stupid decision for market makers. It's just not going to make any sense. Let's see if garbage move, but a move. Yes, exactly. But at least the move. Yeah, you got it. So I'm watching New York Midnight Open on yes. Guys, you got it. So we need to take this level. Hey, stop. Stop reversing from here. It was one, like classic, one tick away, right? I shorted gold twice. Both break evens. I mean, this time up like $30, a bit more than $30. I just $32 to be more specific, but love it. What's the point not to take New York Midnight Open right now? Market makers. It sounds like scam. Just drop it over here. Oh, finally. I mean, I shorted this setup twice. We discussed this already. If you just joined, you can rewatch this after stream. So first magnet play out. Let's see if we get RTH test of previous day high level. Yeah, we got. Well, ES look nice today. And Q was something between garbage and good. Like, something in the middle, you know? But guys, I'm going to remind you again. Best setups on NQ recently, good garbage, yeah. Before 10 a.m. So most likely 10 a.m. between 10 and 11, which is silver boot, is going to be something like so-so. For example, here is a point, if you, for example, on this short, where I would close the trade. I don't see any levels to go lower on ES just for now, without retracement. I mean, I don't mind to see retracement right now. So, in my opinion, just silver bullet recently was kind of like so-so. Yes, NQ is always garbage. I would say, yeah. agree with you. Fresh and old garbage, yeah, I'd say I agree with you. Not going to argue, at least. I mean, once again, ES hit important levels. If it's going to reverse right now, I'm going to be fine with this because I would like to follow ES bias to consider something on NQ. Now, for silver bullet, you can use 1 minute fair value gap, 2 minute fair value gap. And like, I'm not calling market is garbage. I said price action garbage for me. For me is a key phrase over here. For me, because for some people it works. Make sense? Yes, if gold can drop to 45, 46, it's going to be amazing. No giveaways for now. No giveaways for now. But if we are going to hit 400 likes, we are going to do giveaway. So work on this, guys. It's daily giveaway. So once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. So once again, quick reminder idea for gold. Low resistance. Sorry for my low resistance, you got it. Sharp move down. Leg up, retracement to 50%, long with stop loss over here, target first buy side. So we got sharp move down, leg up, preferable to get 50% retest, then long to first buy side over here. It's probably not going to be 2R, but it's going to be close to 2R. So we still don't have any shift in structure to upside, right? So I would say ES still remains more bearish. Just saying. Just once again, if it's going to continue going up on gold right now, I will not like this simply because it's just it's still in premium of this like up. I kind of don't like what this kind of continuation setups. So yeah. I will do 150k account. Yeah, 150k, not 50k, and it's going to be take profit trader. Yeah, I believe. Live account giveaway. No, not live account. It's going to be valuation. You need to pass this, but it's not going to have activation fee, so. So yeah, working on new photos, so. So no makeup for stream, so I normally never wear makeup. So just enjoy my hair. So waiting for shift in structure to upside on ES because kind of not ready to consider this long just yet. Waiting for shift in structure. Just 15, exactly. Forever young. Yeah, I don't need makeup. I don't like it. Like, never wear this. Look at this sell off on CL. That's absolutely crazy. Doesn't want to take. Okay. Okay, I will remember this in queue. I will remember this. Well, guys, once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway. Once again. And everything will be good. Okay. No, probably, yeah, makes sense to wait for ES. Not going to engage on the on NQ just for now. Crazy reversal. We'll accept this reversal because that's fine. We got key levels on ES. Let's see if we get reversal. I'm fine with this, absolutely fine. With SMT, everything looks great. Just let's see if we get the structure. Not in sync right now. I don't like it. Let's see. About to get shift in structure, so obviously no reason to engage on NQ. Makes sense to engage on ES at this point. Still no structure. Yesterday I upgraded my mouse, finally. Not perfect mouse, just for now, upgraded to pink. It's like, see, kind of strange mouse, right? But it's pink. Also bought pink keyboard. Isn't that amazing? Because before this I got like ugly not red, black mouse. So yeah, need to upgrade it, but impossible to use this. It's like vertical mouse, or what's the name of this? Impossible to use this for now. Needs to use to trade. I'm working with this right now, just need to use to trade with this. So this week I'm going to do some giveaways with some new prop firms, I believe. So yeah. So far crazy, but overall kind of crazy moves on NQ so far. But ES still doesn't want to provide bullish shift. If chart from probably not. If chart fanatics invite me, probably not. I mean, everything available on my YouTube already. Like, what's the reason? What's the point? Go there. Okay, waiting for shift, which we don't have so far. On gold reversed. I would like to see 50% retest. Yeah. I just, without this bullish shift on the ES, I cannot say for sure if it's like real reversal on NQ just yet. Like, considering, like, idea we have some levels lower still. Over the shift, please. Just saying. Just saying. It's only 10:10. Yeah, it's feels like time so slow right now. I agree with you. I bet the target is going to be a pre-market high because we don't have any levels higher. It's all-time high so far. We don't have shift and structure on ES just yet, so I would say ES looks still a bit more bearish, while NQ more bullish. So let's see. I'm waiting for the closure to get market structure shift. The most important part, ES did its job, so I'm fine with reversal. Just offer the shift, like smart money reversal, you know. Not sweep. I don't care about sweep, but the closure. We don't have the closure. Okay. It's not closure, it's not market shift. Just I hate it. Like to the tick. Well, it's not shift. So we'll stay away. Oops. So over here, no shift. Way too bullish. I mean, yeah, but we don't have shift in structure. Come on, Dasha, what's wrong with this keyboard? We don't have shift in structure on ES just yet. To validate. I mean, I'm not going to engage on NQ, obviously. It's in premium, while ES in discount. If you're going to engage, it's going to be ES. Makes zero sense to trade NQ right now. Compare this chart. It's not in sync at all. Nothing so far, nothing. Let's try it gold over here, enter it twice, stop at the break even on both sides. Both shorts I stop at the break even. I already showed before, so you can watch this on my replay once I finish this team. I guess you can watch this right now. Going to highlight right now potential OT. Let's see where we are right now. Definitely in premium on NQ, but holding OT. That's it. Yeah, at this all-time high, nothing is going on. Once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaway, guys. Just a reminder. Just a yes remains more bearish, since we have zero shift in structure to upside. Crazy drop. Okay, nothing here. I'm going to hold 50% right now. So 50% OT will be fine. So let's see if we get a test of 50% in the action. So it's going to be a potential long at this point. I'm not considering long on NQ for now because ES still remains more bearish. All levels, it's my drawings without indicator. $49, $33, $49. I would say 46, 47, 45, somewhere there. Between 45 and 47 will be nice. Now we drop. You're talking about NQ? Okay. Stuck in opening range. Let me see what we have. We filled around 25% of our TH gap. Gap fill is going to be between previous day high and Asia low. So basically, yeah, at auto. Yeah, actually, we have some fair value gaps. So if it will drop, I will consider potential Asia low because it's going to fill RTH gap at this point. Nothing so far. I would say we didn't touch 50%, right? Or we did. Didn't look like this, so. So hard to long this, honestly. It's just too bearish on ES so far. I cannot do this. I'll probably stay away from any trade so far because it doesn't make any sense to long right now. Waiting for the structure, structure offer it. So yeah, at this point I will agree with continuation higher. Reversal from hourly fair value gap. We don't have it, unfortunately. I have no idea about crypto prop firm. Oh, futures prop firm. It's funded next futures. They paying by crypto. Closure above this dotted line on my chart. I do trade my funded futures, so yes, I can copy a trader weight accounts, for example. Struggling. I don't trade crypto. No. My answer is no. Yeah, gold simply pumping, so it's unfortunately didn't offer a low resistance move that I wanted to see, so nothing. A bit volatility. A bit Trump speaking. Maybe. No, I don't trade. I mean, I have Bitcoins, but it's like long-term investments, so no, not really. So we got 2-minute propulsion block. I don't think it has power, honestly, because completely not in sync with ES. But Latif may hold this propulsion block. So at this point, it must be protected high. Doesn't make sense to talk about this. Just too choppy. But yes, more bearish. Too choppy. So once we hit 400 likes, I will do giveaways, I promised. So yes. So I will consider potential long only at retestment to 50% near 45-47 area, so nothing. You said 15-20 points, it's usually reverses. You mean bullish reversal? I will agree with potential long only if yes will offer something for long. It's just extremely bearish right now. I mean, yes, NQ looks more bullish while ES is more bearish. It's perfect sign of like stay away. So if you want to like have translation for a live stream, so at this point I need to change settings for live stream. It's going to be delay around like 10 seconds delay. So that I don't think it sounds interesting. Yes, I sent this on Friday. Oh, emails for giveaway, not yet. I will send you. Busy weekend, guys, sorry. For giveaways, I will send you everything. I hope tonight. Since always. So this means if you want to have translation for live streams, it's going to be huge delay around like 10 seconds. Oh, it's okay. So I will try to send this tonight. Yeah. Crazy. Yes. Can you do something, please? You have Asia low lower. It's just crazy how it's not in sync at all. We got same propulsion block on ES, so ideally, since ES looks more bearish to drop to Asia low, but see how it's struggling so far. I don't know, like propulsion block, while NQ doesn't want to do anything. Let me give me 1 second. So I'm talking about this propulsion block. For gold, I already said I'm waiting for the tracing to 50%. Because if ES really wants to take Asia low, we should get new low on NQ, which is going to be test of hourly fair value gap. I think so. Funny to say, this M2 model still in play. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. That's crazy. Let's be honest, that's crazy. What do you have on M and Q? Trying to compare. We traded, it's the same, pretty much the same, so nothing is going on so far, yeah. So once again, we got propulsion block on both ES and Q. So both trying to respect this level. We got another propulsion block. I still consider this as protected high. What level we traded into? Nothing significant happened yet. So on ES, it still remains more bearish. Let me check what we have. We have another hourly fair value gap slightly lower. And I believe we didn't take it. Yeah, it's still lower. But still, nothing is going on. 63.10. Lines, oh yeah, okay, lines up with hourly fair value gap. So yes, I'm watching this hourly fair value gap then. We also have flat candle over here, see this? Which probably will not invalidate this propulsion block because high of this propulsion block low higher than this flat candle. If for some reason it wants to take flat candle, I guess that's going to be fine. Yeah, let's see. So yeah, not going to have any delays for streams. So the question is if maybe go lower to our fair value gap. Lots of SMTs so far. At low, at high. It's classic, come on, classic. Like TradingView market on gold. It could pay money today. Because so far nothing is going on Q at all. SMT, that's it. SMT. Yeah. Gold, nice long. Just without retracement. So I wish I could engage this in long, but nothing. Sorry guys, something went wrong with my monitors. So once again, let's see if we can drop on ES slightly lower to test our fair value gap. Also at 63.10 we have flat candle, as someone said. So it's another confirmation since hourly fair value gap at 08.25. Yeah. This range is absolutely crazy. Approaching this hourly fair value gap. Guys, if you didn't receive my last homework that I sent on Friday, based on my last new video that I posted on Thursday, first check your email. Second, if you knew, where's my mouse? Here's the link. To request new homework, you can just click at this link and request your homework. So you can complete this homework. Don't send me email back, please. Spam folder, see this? Don't send me email back. You can post on Twitter, just tag me there, or send me a direct message on Twitter. So it's going to be easier for me to see your message. Because lots of emails, it's simply impossible to find your email. OnlyFans is my plan B, so did not create account yet. But I will let you know. Nothing so bad yet in trading, but we have plan B. Don't worry. So I'm still watching this hourly fair value gap. I think. Don't take my words, please. Yeah, gold probably done simply because it's his first buy side, unfortunately. Approaching this hourly fair value gap. I'm watching this fair value gap. Maybe if my break immediately break below this hourly fair value gap, should take Asia low, but kind of struggling so far. So we're just not good. We're just not good. Crazy slow. Crazy slow. Who's favorite team? I have no idea. I never watch this. Never play this. Overall, Silver Bullet recently wasn't perfect. I mean, it delivered where we wanted, but it wasn't perfect. CL, what you see on CL? Not that perfect. I wouldn't. You want to long this, right? It's just too late for CL already. CL moves nice before 11. I would say before 10:30. So after this, because sometimes we have news at 10:30. But after this, normally it wasn't. I never seen it was perfect. Sometimes because Trump said something, like some important news came out, like sudden news. But as well as for gold, last move for gold best and last move for gold between 950 and 1010. After this, it's going to be slow, a bit of consolidation. I would trust to come back for Asia. Asia printing recently. Even yesterday, Asia setup was quite nice. I don't understand your language, so I have no idea what you're trying to type. What's wrong with my monitors? It's keep turn off and turn on again. No delays, guys? It's fine? Yeah, I need to probably need to change the cable. 2 monitors gone already, so probably that's why. Yeah. So approaching early for a value gap. Power issue. You think I need to change the cable to fix this? Will it help? See this? It was so close to, it was how many ticks away actually? 3 ticks away from early for a value gap. Crazy. Consider quarterly cycles. So we're inside quarter 3, right? And I believe quarter 3 is going to be manipulation overall. This is why we stuck at all-time high, which is once we get quarter 4 is going to be drop. So I would say right now it's manipulation phase overall. Probably it's going to be like extremely bullish this quarter. And last quarter is going to be just sell off. This is what I think about this. Power plug. Yeah, I need to. Yeah, I will fix this after Steam. I don't use 1 minute chart. Oh, it's fight for 69 points. I got it. 69 points. I mean, this empty model still in play, right? Overall. Absolutely ugly empty model. And it was close to 2R. Never actually did that. Crazy shit. I almost never trade, like last 3 months, didn't trade in Q. But since gold is done, So on gold, it was set up. So I would say makes sense over here. I would say makes sense to keep our eyes on NQ because nothing else right now has volatility. Right now, just interesting to see how it failed. Yeah, how it failed to take our fair value gap. So for another shift on a yes, let me add new line. So I will look for another shift on a yes above this dotted line. So potential bullish shift in structure to consider reversal. We don't have it yet. So yeah, crazy. So we got OB over here, right? So it's going to be invalidation of order block, which will become failed order block or breaker block. That's why. Also above New York midnight open. As long as below this level, I still would like to see lower to our fair value gap. You know, it's kind of consolidating right now, moving from discount to premium, from premium to discount, that's it. So it may consolidate until lunch, and then it will offer a potential 30-minute sweep. As always, I'm not going to trade this because I'm not going to be at home. It's going to be end of Steam setup because I will not be able to trade this. Classic. So yeah, maybe it's going to be late short. So far, market is doing nothing, unfortunately. Yeah. It does, yeah, actually. Yeah, it moves from. Oh, you're talking about stop after Steam? Yeah. Like between 11:30 and 12:30, normally we can get potential 30-minute sweep, and this is probably what we can get. I didn't use first percent fair value gap. Explained this last week. Just this fair value gap does not make any sense to me personally. It doesn't mean it doesn't work. It just doesn't work for me. I mean, I don't understand the logic of this fair value gap. But 2 hours of consolidation. And funny to say, but it's still inside M2 model. 9 a.m. M2 model. It's almost 11. Crazy shit. Come on. Come on. Well, yes, was nice. Overall, nice. It's not nice how it failed to take hourly fair value gap, but I think it still can take it. If not right now, maybe later today, but it will take it. Because right now, we're in the middle of nowhere. Which means what? I mean, of course we can reverse, but it's going to be stupid. Right? Gold trying to retrace, which is actually nice. Approaching. No way, approaching. Just took forever. Crazy. Do we have? Yeah, we got sweep of this liquidity level. Do we have the sweep on micro? We don't have it. We don't have it on micro just yet. This means M and Q did not take the sell side. Just took this, okay. And Q did. I believe empty model is going to play out at this point. Thank you for providing so much value. I'm hindsight trader, come on. No value here. Forget about the value. I didn't ask for a question. Can you please repeat this? I probably didn't see this. I just move chat on my small screen. It's kind of hard to see this, honestly. Yeah, I'm just going to share with you. Under my last video, I received like comment. She's hindsight trader. Check your Twitter, and I decided like, let me check my Twitter, and I was like trying to scroll my trades, and actually all trades that I posted was with executions. I'm like, yeah, best hindsight trader in this world. I said, did you long gold during Asia? If so, share reason with me. What was the reason? Guys, who took a long on gold last night? I didn't trade yesterday as well. And yesterday trade was over here. Who took this trade yesterday? At least who saw this trade yesterday? This one. Who saw this trade? What was the reason? Let's see. What was the reason behind the trade? I shorted twice gold today with break even. I already showed executions before. What else? What kind of setup we had? You broke up with gold? Come back to this. Just watch my last two videos. You will not be disappointed. Just trust me. See this, guys? What we got? Here is my boom, boom, boom. What we got over here? Order block. We got the closure. Oh my god. So what this means? I want to aim for 2R, which is also what? Equal highs over here. Why everything is lagging? Well, another point. Let's say we miss this. Okay, I'm going to. Who watched my last video about gold setup? I'm going to ask questions. It's better for me to understand you watch this. Who watched my last video about gold setup? I'm going to just ask questions. Okay, you did. Question is, let's say we miss potential sweep trade. What we want to do? Let's say I missed or I want to scale. Our step is what I want to do next if I miss a trade. What's the next step? Can I scale? Can I enter again somewhere? Wait for the next candle. This means we don't want to engage at this candle anymore, right? We are not going to engage at this candle. We are going to wait for, I call this like fresh OB. And okay, fresh OB is going to be at next candle. Do we have it? Okay, we miss this. That's okay. Nothing wrong with this. We got new fresh OB. Okay, by the way, entry was over here as well. Oh, it's actually the same entry. It doesn't really matter. But anyway, if I miss the trade, initial trade of this order block, By the way, entry could be anyway over here. It doesn't really matter. But idea is, if I miss initial entry at this candle, I'm going to engage at the next candle. I'm not going to try to find another entry within this candle. No, no, no. Red flag. I'm going to engage at fresh order block at this next candle. That's it. And aim for 2R. Remember this? Today's trade, it's lagging. So slow. Okay. Exactly same idea was over here, and also over here, but over here I took this trade posted on Twitter yesterday, and it was trade on Friday. We discussed this trade before. We got 1.5R. This means I'm going to move at break-even. It's break-even trade. Idea is, once again, look at these setups. I don't want to delete it simply to show you. So every single setup that I personally saw play out. Not every single one. We had some break-even, some losses, but overall idea of the setup was almost always offered to R. Sometimes break-even, sometimes loss, but still. Sometimes we got 2R and it immediately reversed, but idea is just trade gold with this model. That's it. But best advice I can give you guys. And in order to practice this lesson, I send you homework on Friday to do what? To test your knowledge. That's it. Or watch M2 model, for example, M2 model. If you don't want to watch this, you can print this picture. Give me 1 second. I'm going to share the picture. You can just print this to put this in front of your eyes. Guys, here's a picture. Just print this, do whatever you want with this. So it explains M2 model. In short. I mean, okay, look, you want to enter at order block with a potential sweep. Order block. You don't want to look for free value gap entry. For any other entries, you want to enter only at this order block. But if you miss this order block, retest, I don't care, retest or just closure, okay, that's fine. You wait for the next candle. If you got immediate retest of this order block and after this you miss this, so it's okay, just don't take any trades anymore. If you sign up for emails, probably it's in spam folder. Check your spam folder. I don't use kill zones, for example, on gold. I simply don't need this. So I would say you don't need this as well. So as you can see, I'm fine with this, like no issue. So probably you don't need this as well. Okay. I hope I answered your question. I mean, I know some people use like London kill zone, Asia kill zone. Personally, I don't use this. No complaints about this. So as you can see, 2R is like more like scalp idea, right? So you don't really need this for scalp. I mean, it's good to know like we have liquidity level lower or higher. But if you did not receive homework but you sign up for email, this means check your spam folder. Some people found this there. No, I traded gold before. I already show execution, so basically it was 2 break-even trades. It was crazy, right? I entered over here. I was in profit. It stopped me at break-even. I entered where I entered over here. I was in profit. It stopped me at break-even, then went in my profit to my profit. But once again, in real time, it kind of made sense to me to move at break-even. But it is what it is. So no complaints. So can you see the link above? I send you which code like access past homework. Just click this and try again. If you're new on my channel, just click the link that I sent above. It's going to give you access to last lesson, and it's going to include the video to this. It's completely free, everything on my YouTube. I hope it makes sense. So this means all you need to do, just click the link that I send you above. Your next step, you will find this picture. Here's last homework. It's lesson, video, and homework. So all you need to do, just sign up for this homework, completely free. Okay? Everything in lesson, guys. I covered every single question. If you did not watch the video, please watch this. What time to trade gold? Which SMT should I use? How to spot the right order block? I covered every single question there. It worked for you? Oh, that's nice. I'm happy for you. So you got to win. Even this setup, I mean, I explained the setup before once I started Steam. Okay, I will tell you right now the time. Then another time you will ask me what SMT should I use, but everything covered in video. Just watch this on YouTube, last video on YouTube. I recorded this video simply to answer your questions. It's easier for you to watch. It's only 15 minutes long. Yeah, before that I had this kind of hair color, so I changed my hair color recently. It's like more blonde right now, but still. Guys, once you complete your homework, just send me this on Twitter or post on Twitter, tag me there. Don't send me email, please. It's impossible to find your email there. Okay? Oh, London? Some people said London, like between 3 and 5 a.m. best move for London kill zone, so between 3 and 5 a.m. New York time. Between 3 a.m. and 5 a.m. Once again, New York time. So complete this homework, please. I can give you 3 more days, guys. It's extremely easy homework. I just want to check your knowledge. This is my nature color. Right now it's blonde. It's a bit lighter right now, but it's nature color over here. Here's blonde. I'm going to check your homework, so I will point your mistakes. That's what I'm going to do, guys. Because my task is to see you understand the lesson or not. Without homework, I cannot do this. Because it's impossible to know if you got this right or wrong. But with homework, at least I can see what you understand, what you don't understand. Why I need this information? To simply to record, maybe I will see common mistakes, and I'm going to have a session where I'm going to answer questions. It's easier for me to prepare like questions for you. Like you prepare questions, I'm going to answer them. I hope it makes sense. That's why I send you homework, simply to collect data, where mistakes, how to improve these mistakes, but I'm going to send you comment back anyway. Not going to only answer point mistakes on stream for question answer stream. No, it's going to be individual feedback. That's what I say. So that's your task, is just complete this homework and send me on Twitter as direct message, but preferably to create the post on Twitter so everyone can see your homework, can compare with their knowledge, and I can just leave a comment with my feedback. It's easier for me. Guys, this makes sense what I'm trying to do. How to receive this homework? Just click over here on this link. That's all you need. So once you click this link, you will find this page. You need this lesson. Read now, subscribe to this lesson completely free. Guys, I'm not trying to sell you everything, okay? That's it. Couple of ticks shy from New York midnight open. But that's it. That's all I expect to get from today's price action. Because guys, next week we are going to have session. This session is going to be, I believe, PM session, but most likely maybe pre-market. Just not sure if I should steam this during AM session, where I'm not Masha, I am Dasha, but that's fine. Where in this session I will cover, like, it's going to be question answer session. So, what's the point to charge you for this? I mean, no point to do this. I already said that, like, I wish someone could care of me like I do with you, like 3 years ago. I didn't find this kind of people 3 years ago. If I can be helpful right now, that's nice. Okay. Yeah, empty model, I said already, time shifted a little bit from 10 to 9. So, empty model was over here. It was absolutely ugly delivery, but it was 9 a.m. empty model. Yeah, I mean ICT, but it's a bit different. Guys, all information is available for free. So if you're talking about empty model, you can just print this page. Read this, practice this, test this. It's also available on my YouTube, but as I said, time a bit shifted in June for some magical and stupid reason. I guess life did not prepare us for Trump market. Click this link, print this page, and that's it. That's all I ask. For NQ, that's best model to trade before 10. Pre-market. I call this pre-market, yeah. I'm not quite bearish right now because all I want to see this morning is Asia low and hourly fair value gap, untapped fair value gap on NQ. I'm not quite bearish right now. That's all I want to see for short. Right now, if it's going to offer a shift, probably PM is going to be bullish. Actually, I showed my TradeZella not a long time ago. What you want to see there? My win rate around like 60%. Even for 2R or more. to see big numbers. What's the point of this? So yeah, issue is idealized too late about playbook, because if I'm going to create playbook on TradeZella, I can share all executions, all trades, like with all available data, but I realized it's too late. And when I created playbook for all trades and started adding like all trades there, it simply doesn't want to show me anything there for some reason. Maybe it's luck from TradeZella, I don't know, like. Because if I want to include my like old executions, probably I will not be able to see them as well in this playbook. I was trying to do this, but nothing changed. I mean, I was trying to add a couple of new playbooks. I don't know why it doesn't want to work. I have backtest of this model, I mean gold model, which is 69% win rate. And yes, I did not create playbook and created this after a backtest session is done. It doesn't want to show you anything, like show me anything, like no executions, no data in this playbook. I don't know why. It says 0 trades taken. I have no idea how to fix this. Because when I created playbook for PM session M2 model, I created playbook first, then I started backtest session, and it's everything in this playbook. Yeah. No, it's not worth to copy me. I'm hindsight trader, so no. Nothing special about this name, Lumi. Just my husband created this name. I don't think it means anything, honestly. PM session, it's M2 model for PM session, like 1 PM, hourly power of 3. And I do have a trade there. So I was trying to share playbook in the chat, but for some reason, people cannot see chart with executions. They see data, but they cannot see the chart with executions. Well, I guess simpler for me to just create a Google Drive folder and add all screenshots there. It's going to be easier. So 0 bullish structure on ES so far. Like light? Maybe, by the way, I need to Google this. On 3-minute chart, you mean potential sweep? You want to see continuation lower? So just for now, we got the test of 3-minute OB. You're talking about short of this order block, right? That's right? Oh yeah, I mean, it's not perfect OB because it's part of this candle. So probably I would look for another like leg down to the test of previous day high, RCH test of previous day high over here. So another like propulsion block, then short. So maybe something like this with stop loss above the swing high. This is what I would do, probably to consider potential move lower. I mean, Asia low looks nice, but I'm not talking about Asia low at all. So I would say best idea is don't use this propulsion block, but use new fresh propulsion block, which is part of this candle that tested the 30-minute OB. And check the test of order block, stop loss above swing high, and aim for previous day high level. I would say this is going to make sense, for sure. Who knows? Yeah. So maybe idea, I'm not sure yet, but if we get the closure with fresh OB, something like this. But not going to use this propulsion block. It's not propulsion, just regular OB. Just want to see this order block as a reaction from this 30-minute OB, right? So we got PD ray on 30-minute chart. Let's see if we create OB as reaction from this PD ray to continue going lower. It's like 30-minute higher from PD ray, 3-minute lower time frame I mean, 3-minute market maker model, sell model at this point. So at this point, yes, this short will make sense, just not for now. Guys, once we hit 400 like, I will do one account giveaway, 150k account giveaway. That's Russian accent. I don't use 1-minute chart at all. I trade 2, 3, and 5-minute charts. Execute on these charts. I don't use 1-minute chart at all. Like, at all. China. Yeah, approaching. Gold needs to drop another 5-7 points. 20 more likes, I will do giveaway. Guys, go for it. Only 20 more likes. To 30 second, we're not that smart yet to trade 30-second chart. Guys, 8 more likes, I will do giveaway. I'm ready to send the form in the chat. Go for this. 8 more likes. We have 392. Waiting. Guys, like the stream so we can do giveaway. Okay, we'll start with this giveaway over here first. So sending the form right now and the chat. Going to pin this message. So if you would like to participate in giveaway, just fill this form. That's it. Simple, right? Not going to do what you need to do. Not going to say what you need to do, guys. You already know. Good luck. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you 5 minutes to fill the form. It's simple steps. Fill the form, guys. I just sent you form in the chat. So I'm going to do 150k account evaluation account. Giveaway, take profit trader, 150k account. I didn't say what you need to do. You will find information in this form. So good luck. One account giveaway. Take profit trader 150k account. Fill the form. Well, with my fund futures, I only started evaluations. I had before, but I blew this last year. So I didn't trade with my fund future after this. So right now I have evaluations that I need to pass. I got this, took just 2 trades there. Trade mostly take profit trader and Apex so far. So I don't know the process for live accounts right now. So we will find out soon, I hope. Okay, guys, 2 more minutes to enter giveaway. and we will start. Tap-step, absolutely no questions about tap-step. Only issue the remove trader weight, which is, in my opinion, not best decision for me, because I was trying to trade. I mean, I still have tap-step X, and it's not best for me to trade tap-step X because my brain cannot like execute a tap-step X and Ninja Trader at the same time. So basically, I just need to choose if I'm going to execute on Ninja Trader or tap-step X. So I would try to trade trader weight account with tap-step, but no option like this. So I will just stay away from tap-steps so for now. It doesn't mean like they're bad. Absolutely nothing wrong with them. Just for me, I would try to trade with trader weight. That's my opinion. Guys, if you just joined and would like to participate in giveaway, fill the form. I pinned the message in the chat. Lots of people ask me about Take Profit Trader. That's why I'm doing Take Profit Trader, because they have perfect rules for payouts. Also, guys, if you fill the form, you're done, you're waiting, please, your task right now, just to save your time later and no complaints about if you won and probably going to have issue. So if you just fill the form and waiting, so I highly recommend, give me 1 second. So right now, just create, if you don't have account with Take Profit Trader, create account using this link. Just create account. You don't need to buy anything. If you have account, you're done. Perfect. If you don't have account, but you would like to participate, please create account using this link. Okay? While we are waiting, okay? Guys, please, if you don't have account, I send the link in the chat, please create account, because I cannot, if you want but you don't have account, I cannot give you account. Because system cannot fund you in Take Profit Trader system. So your task is just create account using this link, okay? Okay, 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. If you don't have account, guys, with Take Profit Trader, you need to create account using my link. If you already have account, you're done. All set. Well, okay, guys, I'm not trade ideas yet, so nothing yet. Okay, guys, time to announce winner. Let me random number generator. Okay. Once again, guys, if you have account with Take Profit Trader, you're all set. If you don't have account with Take Profit Trader, you need to create account as well. Let me send the link. Just create account using this link. Okay, let's pick the winner. So as I said, any number between 1 and 99 is going to be just one number. It's, once again, it's daily giveaways. So this kind of giveaways every single day. Let's do 64. 64. We don't have 64. No one put 64. Another one. 52. Just one person, okay. We have winner. Just one winner, pick 52. Let me put him, I guess, in the chat. It's our winner. Tomorrow another giveaway. And I will do more giveaways with Take Profit Trader and Epics this week. So with Epics and Take Profit Trader, more giveaways, more than one account. No need one more because tomorrow is going to be bigger giveaway. It's just like for fun. So tomorrow I will do bigger giveaway. Today is one account. Oh, congratulations! So tomorrow more accounts. So congratulations to winner. He did nice. He picked right number. So guys, once again, if you watch my last video, highly recommend to complete your homework. It's 30 minutes homework. You don't need it's not going to take so much time to do this. Please do your homework. Don't make stupid mistakes. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Any questions? All winners, I will send all emails. We'll try to send all emails tonight for winners. So guys, thank you for watching me, guys. I will see you tomorrow. Do your homework and don't make stupid mistakes. Enjoy your day, guys. Bye.